Hey Marcel, hope you had fun doing your sliding in a straight line. Now we're going to take that up a step and we're going to be sliding through a course around cones, okay? So one thing that you want to remember when you're sliding is that you always want your hips, feet, and shoulder to be oriented in the direction that you want to travel. You're going to be looking forward, but you're going to be moving this way, all right? Just still want you to remember, you got to bend your knees, you got to swing your arms, and you got to have fun. All right, so here's how you do it around cones, okay? The first cone's over there, so I'm gonna be sliding in this direction. So I'm gonna go. When I get to this cone, and then the next one's over there, so I'm gonna turn my body, and I'm gonna slide again. All right, last cone's over there. For this one, I'm gonna turn my body, and I'm gonna do it left way, or right side. So that's how you slide through a course. You're gonna wanna make sure you're turning your body so that your feet and your shoulders and your hips are lined up. All right, have fun, be safe.